Hello friends, welcome back to Aeshi's Hastkala. Today in this video, I'm going to show you glitter pouch. This you can use in your daily routine and you can even gift to someone. You can use this as your purse or as your school pouch. This is very easy to make and it's obviously in glitter. So it is too good, and you can see over here I have used this for my school pouch, as you can see here. So you can also use this in such a way. So let's get started. Friends, I have made this pouch in two different ways. You can see over here one is this and one is this, and today I'm going to show you both of them. And of course friend, a thing which you make by yourself gives you a different happiness and satisfaction. This is my experience that I took this to my school and birthday party. All my friends want to know that how I made this. So today I am making this, and let's get started. So friends, for this pouch we are going to need foam sheet. I am going to use this one and a chain. We are making this only with 2 or 3 materials, and the third is a glue gun. So friends, let's start our first pouch. For that we are going to take the back side and we are going to take our chain. This is a simple chain like this, and we have to put in the center. Don't mark the center, we are not needing that. So now take your glue gun, apply a little glue on this line, the side of the chain, front side of the chain we have to glue. And now just take it and take one end and place it over here in this way, like so, and just press it. Press. So we are done with our one side. See, but at places where you need to glue, you can obviously glue. So yeah, here we're gonna glue this and press. So friends, we are done with our one side, and now we are going to do our second side. So friends, in the similar way we have to glue one side again, the another side of the chain. Okay, and then just you have to know that in this line you have to where you place one end of the foam sheet, you have to stick the second end. So yeah, let's glue a little. Okay, and then just check the both of the ends like this. Okay, so we are done with both of the sides. So friends, our next step is just turn this, press it down, and we have to glue this end. I will show you. Just glue. And friends, if you're not having hot glue gun, so you can even use any strong kind of glue, but you have to use strong glue, otherwise the foam sheet will not attach with each other. So in this way you have to glue it and press it. But friends, remember to glue only just the end, don't glue it in. Okay, and press and press. If the glue is coming out, take the hot glue gun nozzle and just spread it. Okay, so you are done with one side, and you have to do the similar thing with the another side. Ta-da! Our pouch is ready. But friends, we have to cut this ends. So now take scissors and cut the ends. Be careful while using scissors. Okay. So friends, we are done with our pouch. You can see over here. It's very nice. It's opening, and yeah, you can see here you can fill your things, whatever you want, makeup, sketch pens, your daily routine pouch. It's up to you. So friends, let's get started for our second pouch. And for this, again we are going to need a foam sheet and a chain and our hot glue gun. So let's get started. So friends, now again take the back part of your foam sheet here. Take your chain, see, and place it in the middle. Now again glue it at the one front side of our chain like this. Yes, and now carefully stick one end of our foam sheet to the chain and press like this. So we are done with our one side, and similarly we have to do the second side. So let's do it. Yes, and attach it. So friends, we are done with our both of the ends, and now we don't have to press this in this way as we done earlier, but we have to press it in this way. So yes, but for this, first of all, cut the ends and be careful to not cut this lock. If you will cut this, so your chain will go out. So be careful to not cut that lock, just cut the excess of the chain like here. One is done. The second. Yes. So similarly do this with this two end also. So friends, we have cut our ends like this, and now we have to glue this part. So let's take our hot glue gun and let's glue these edges. As I told you earlier, just glue only the edges. Okay, and press carefully. And if you are not able to press with your hands, you can even take any kind of clothes and press it out. So friends, we are done with our one end, but yeah, remember to press very carefully. And as I told you, just if the glue is coming out, your hot glue gun nozzle will help you. So glue it and press it. So yeah, we are done with our one end, and we have to do the similar thing with our second end. So I will meet you after doing this both of the ends. Dun, 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 we are done with our second pouch also. But friends, if you are feeling uncomfortable while you are opening the chain because of this hot glue gun's glue, so what you have to do, again take your hot glue gun nozzle and melt that all of the glue, and when it is melted you can take it off with the help of any kind of clothes. So friends, we are done with our second pouch. You can see over here, it's very cool. Okay, so friends, we are done with both of the pouch, and thank you so much for watching my video. And you can see you can use this as your school pouch, or you can take this pouch for your party. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't yet. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of query, let me know in the description box given below. Thank you, friends.